In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone for your Big Cartel shop. Let's dive right into this. First, we'll need to navigate to your Big Cartel dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu running across the top of your screen. From this menu, find the option labeled Account and give it a click. This will take you to your account settings page where you can make various changes to your shop's settings. Now, towards the center of the account settings page, you'll spot an option that says Edit your shop info. Click on this and you'll see a pop-up window with a range of settings you can adjust for your shop. It might seem a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. Just focus on finding the setting for the time zone. In this pop-up window, scroll through the options until you locate the section that mentions time zone. Once you've found it, click on your current time and a drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a variety of time zone choices. Now, this is where you get to customize according to your needs. Look through the list carefully and find the time zone that corresponds to your location or your shop's operations. Click on the one that fits best. This is an important step because your time zone affects how your orders and communications are time-stamped, making it crucial to select the correct one. Once you've selected your preferred time zone, look towards the bottom of the pop-up for the Save button. It's really important to click Save at this point, as this will ensure that your changes are properly recorded and applied to your Big Cartel shop. And that's it. You've successfully updated your shop's time zone. It's amazing how a few clicks can make such a big difference. Having the correct time zone set up helps ensure that your shop runs smoothly and keeps everything in sync, whether it's managing orders or communicating with customers across different regions. I hope this guide made the process clear and easy for you. Remember, being familiar with your shop settings means you can manage your online store more efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.